Ashwaubenon, Lebanon, Wabanon, Wisconsin. Do you see that? That is crazy. Check this out. Check this out. I know. Let's see. The U.S. military built most of the west side of Green Bay, Wisconsin, from the Suffolks in the 1850s and 1860s. It was right around the time they started doing with the Jim Crow and all that stuff, and the separation of races through colors, right? Except the area that would later on become Ashwaubenon. That land belongs to the daughters of Chief Wabanarm. How do you pronounce that? Wabanarm? Who? Yeah, Wisconsin. Unbelievable.